this video, I'll show you how you can fix this site can't be reached on your browser. First, what you want to do is come here and search for View Network Connections. Open it up and find your internet. Right click and go to Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 4. Double click. And in here you want to make sure that both of these are obtained DNS server automatically. Press OK and then close it down. After that, go to Device Manager. In here you want to find Network Adapters. Find your internet. I'm on the Ethernet connection. Right click on it. Update driver. Search automatically. If it says you already have the best one, then you want to come back. Browse my computer. Let me pick from a list. And then you want to try and install each one of these. If you have more than one, obviously. After you've done that, you can close it down. Search for Troubleshoot Settings. Additional troubleshooters. And in here what you want to do is open up the internet connections and run the troubleshooter on this one. You can also, after that, come down to Program Compatibility Troubleshooter, run the troubleshooter, and then you want to select the program that you're having issue with. So let's say it was Google Chrome, or let's say it's Firefox. You want to just choose it in here if you have it. Then after that, what you want to do is try and update your browser. So come down here, and then what you want to do is you want to find whatever browser you're using. I'm on the Google Chrome, and on here you want to click here and go to Settings, and then go to About Chrome. Now on other browsers it's probably a bit similar, but you want to find the browser settings, and then you want to find somewhere where it says either Update or About your browser or something. And in here you can see I need a little update, so I can just press Relaunch and then Update. Now the last step is you want to come here and search for CMD. Right click, run as an administrator, and in here you want to type netsh winsuck reset catalog, just like this. Press enter and then restart your computer. Now after this it should hopefully work. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.